friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 15th to the 21st of January. First thing we're going to talk about is this booster, 10 back when you spend 50. Look for it in your digital coupons folder. And if you have a paper booster, bottom left-hand corner, yes, they do in fact stack, and that comes out of the Catalina machine. And for all the new shoppers out there, let's just go through these rules again. It is that window only of the 15th to the 21st. It is of a one-time use, and yes, a paper and a digital do in fact stack. So $19 back when you're spending $50, nothing to sneeze at. These are always a year. Mileage may vary if your account gets them or not. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, or it will mess everything up. Okay, Walgreens Christmas clearance as of Wednesday the 11th hit 70 or 80%. If your store didn't hit either, perhaps today, which is the 13th, go and check it out. You have nothing to lose. Grab something that's Christmas themed, bring it up to a cash, ask a cashier, what's the price of this? And they should tell you, and just do the quick math. So my understanding is that by Sunday the 15th, most stores will be boxing items up to send to a warehouse for auction. If you want to see what I got, because I really went hard on the Christmas toys at 80% off, I have a haul video I'll link at the very end if you wish to watch it. Okay, so let's talk about this flyer. We have the deals of the week that include the Doritos 2 for $6. I think the original price per bag is like $4.79. BOGO free for the cereal. Check IBOTTA for rebates. And then the last two, the bottom, we're going to talk about them individually. So the first one is with the Tide Liquid Tide Pods for $12.99. If you have a booster and you want to throw this in, or if you want to get this on its own, I still think it's a good deal. Grabbing one of these massive Tide Pods, I really have my eye on that. Subtracting a $3 digital that we got last week, I would also throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards. If you're going to put this as a bigger part of a booster, such as, spend 50 to get back 10, you can't use any Walgreens cash, but it might be a really good filler item if you have a bigger basket to accomplish. Next deal that we're looking at is the Crest Burt's Bees Oral-B, $3 to $4. Earn a $4 reward when you buy 2. Interesting. So we have these digital coupons if you didn't use them last week, a $2 off of the paste and a $2 off of the picks. Unfortunately, the IBOTTA rebate for the brushes has since vanished, but these are still meat and potatoes items. I would grab one of each. One toothpaste for $4, one of the flossers for $4 for $8. Subtracting the 2 digital coupons you're paying for, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free. Double, triple check IBOTTA in case there's a rebate for brushes or maybe those flossers. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this or doing this deal in concert with a booster, such as, spend 50, get back 10. You'd have to pay cash for the balance for that. But say you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. This is a pretty good little paper deal. BOGO 50% off for the Scott. It is $5 a pop, so for 2 of them, it would be $7.50 or $3.75 per. Check your Fetch Rewards account if you might have some sort of a rebate for this paper as well. Every penny amounts to a gift card over there. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the pull-ups, 2 for $21, a $4 reward when you buy 2. There was a digital coupon, but unfortunately it's expiring on Saturday. So double, triple check your digital coupons folder on Sunday in case there's new coupons. The Fetch Rewards app has 1,000 points back for both the good nights and the pull-ups. So if you grab one of each, you're going to get $2 back. So grabbing 2 of the bags of Huggies for $21, and then you're going to get $1 back for each of those different branded bags with the Fetch Rewards app, $4 reward. It makes it $15 for the 2 or $7.50 per. That's still a little bit much, but will there be a digital coupon on Sunday to drop this down a little bit? And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for these diapers. Now this deal I really love. $1.29 for the Dawn dish soaps, $1 register reward when you buy 2. So we're going to talk about a little rule there for all the new couponers, but just grabbing 2 of these, that's $2.58. You're getting back a $1 register reward, making it $1.58 for the 2 or 79 cents per dish soap. It is 1 register reward per transaction. So say you wanted to grab 4 of them, you'd have to split it up into 2 separate transactions. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Another dish soap deal that we have is with the Palmolive at $2.99. $3 Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of them. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.98. You're going to get back your $3 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per Palmolive. Again, because this is a Walgreens cash deal, say you wanted to grab, say, like 4 in a transaction, yes, you can do that because it's not a register reward deal. I know, more rules. So if you bought 4, you would get $6 of Walgreens cash, but you have to buy them in increments of 2. And again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. We're looking at the Softsoap Irish Spring at $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. Typically, the manufacturer of this product offers us a $2 digital, so we'll have to keep our eyes peeled for that on Sunday morning. But grabbing 2 of these for $9.98, getting back your $5 register reward, it makes it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per. Again, that digital coupon typically shows up on Sunday, so let's look for that. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that $5 register reward. Okay, for all of you shoppers in search of hand soap, here is one for you. The Softsoap is BOGO 50% off, $4 reward when you buy 4. Grabbing 4 of them, that'll be $7.47. Remember, BOGO 50% off. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it $3.47 for the 4 or 86 cents per. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can do that. It should work for you. And what a great deal for some inexpensive hand soap. Okay, and the Splenda Diabetic shakes are $9.99 over at Walgreens if your store carries them. IBOTTA has this $4 rebate, so it would drop it down to $5.99 after that for 6 of them. Very good price point, especially if you're diabetic and you want this in your pantry. Now let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. The first one is the Colgate Max Fresh at $2.99, $4 reward, I believe, when you buy 2. What digital coupon will we be seeing for this product on Sunday morning? I'm thinking maybe a freebie. Wouldn't that be nice? And then with the Dove, $9 a pop, $4 reward when you buy 2. Last week we got a really high value shampoo coupon, so I'm thinking maybe the body wash. Wouldn't that be nice if we got an 8 off a 2 or something like that? Another dental care deal, earn a $3 reward when you buy 8. I'm wondering if these might double dip. We're going to have to look at those tags very, very, very carefully on Sunday morning, but I'm getting a feeling about a double dip. Wouldn't a 4 and 3 be nice when you buy 2 of these? And then the Starbucks, if you like these fancier coffees, $3.99 to $7.99, especially for the concentrate Tazo tea, or however you say it. That is a pretty good deal. Arm and a leg at any of the grocery stores. And then if you are on the keto diet in the new year, 2 for $10 for the bacon Oscar Mayer. That is a fantastic deal. And then 2 for $10 for the Jack Links, another fabulous, fabulous deal over at Walgreens this week. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.